He will be served special.
This is Tharamai.
He doesn't understand. Go, son.
Windwalkers concert अभी खा ही रहे हैं Windwalkers पहले नाश्ता फिर
You gotta change the name.
Yeah, we got Windwalkers आज कौन सा New Year's party
New Year's Party Part 2.
Part 2 जब सब पार्टियां होनी आहिस्ता आहिस्ता Windwalkers खा के ना इतने बड़े हो जाएंगे फिर SUVs में निकलेंगे मोटरसाइकिल पे नहीं बैठ पाएंगे उसको ज्यादा पता है वो
प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर आ गया भाई
जमील भाई का मॉल सेट हुआ है देखो ये जी विंडवॉक का मोटरसाइकिल ग्रुप खा के पागल हो गया है ऑल वी डूइंग इज जस्ट ईटिंग लेस राइडिंग बाय द टाइम वी डन विद ऑल दीज खाना पेड parties I don't think we're going to ride motorcycles anymore right that's right today is Nahari buffet at Batik restaurants and the Windwalkers are treating this as a new year commence party we already had a holiday party so
less than 2 years. But in those 2 years, I've done over 30,000 miles.
yeah Sufyan bhai
I ride Suzuki Boulevard in Rohtak, and I have a GS 1250 adventure bike, and I've been with the group for 3 years now. We have another bike too.
you have a boulevard
We are not to start with Bullet here.
और जो वो बुलेवार्ड है ना वो अपनी खानदानी बाइक
all right yeah
Well, one thing about Sufyan bhai, when we all went to Shenandoah, we had some schedule issues. So he was so eager, he went and did the whole thing on his own.
I would use
We were 15 of us together, he was solo.
I instead of eager I would use the word tap
He was riding with one hand on the bar, other hand like this.
So here I'm up, and everybody knows you by the first rider who has the DCT version, which is usually not considered a motorcycle in class.
I know we let it go it's okay
I was a Honda NC750, started in 2024, riding with the group, 24 I guess.
this year last year now
Hopefully, I will be upgrading myself next year in to BMW or somewhere going.
ये BMW का जो बीमारी है ना
That is all I have.
नाम लेने से भी डरता है.
Thank you.
Something about Suhail bhai is when we were going to Shenandoah, so we were meeting people right on our way, like we were dropping markers and meeting. And like one of the things which is very difficult to catch up is catching up on a moving target. It's virtually impossible. You'll never catch a moving target because the target is moving. He caught up with us, and I don't know how he was riding, what he was riding.
When Javed says moving target, that was 90 miles per hour.
So I mean, hats off Suhail bhai. What
I will mute the speed just in case he doesn't get a ticket while somebody's watching.
Hey everyone, my name is Sri. So I ride a Harley Road King.
we know.
It's close to his heart.
Yeah, indeed. So I've been riding, in this country since 2010, but with this wonderful group, since last year. Even though my riding tenure with this group has been brief, the association, I think is very deep.
We love you very much.
That's how I feel.
Love you very much.
We love you, Sri.
Murli?
भाईजान आप जरा वॉल्यूम कम करेंगे म्यूजिक का? इनका काफी है.
Right now, I ride the Triumph Rocket 3 GT.
Oh, you have a Rocket 3 now?
Yeah, which is 24.
Hey, yaar. अच्छा मुरली जितने छोटे हैं उतनी बड़ी बाइक्स लेते हैं ये. पहले गोल्ड विंग थी गोल्ड विंग
अभी है.
अभी भी गोल्ड विंग भी है वो भी है यानी दोनों मोटरसाइकिल के दरमियान में कुछ 9 सिलेंडर तो हैं आपके पास.
Yamaha V-Star भी है.
ये देखो.
Yamaha V-Star 1300 भी है.
Oh wow.
So then previously I used to ride Road King with him. Yamaha, sorry, Harley. But now I feel Harley is a heating mission, so I just gave up. enjoying it.
Yeah.
Past 24 years I'm riding.
Oh my god. Seniors.
Guys, my name is Vivek. Yet to ride with the group. I've been riding for about 15 years now. Currently don't have it be delivered tomorrow, but it's a 1250 RS.
BMW,
And I have a Royal Enfield Classic 500.
Congratulations.
Other bikes can come and go, but the Royal Enfield will always be.
Yeah. Sam.
My name is Sam. I have Honda Rebel 1100. I'm riding with the group like 2021. Me, Krish, and Tanvir Bhai are riding from 2021, and Imad Bhai joined us.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah. Very good. Very good. That's great. Krish.
Krish, I ride a Fat Boy 2019. I've been riding since the pandemic. That's when I bought my first motorbike. I've been riding with Tanvir Bhai and a few others. Murli. Yeah.
I've been riding with the Windwalkers now since last year now, right? Last year, yeah.
Yeah.
Last year in
So,
June.
Four of us, you know.
That's how it started. That's how it started. Yeah. All right. Thank you, Krish.
Yeah, looking forward to more amazing rides with all of you guys.
The most clean and
Yes.
even at like 20 miles, he'll lean like this.
People who ride bicycles come to Krish to understand how to lean on their bicycle. Yeah. So he's a slim boy on a fat boy. That's how we define it. Chalo, Tanvir bhai. Tanvir bhai. You.
Me? Okay. Tanveer's ready. I ride Kawasaki Voyager 1700. Been riding since COVID started. So that's when I learned how to ride. Never rode before. Like Amir said, he did like 30,000 miles since like 2020. I've done somewhere around like 21,000 plus. So I've been riding with a lot of groups. Now with Windwalkers, enjoying every minute of it.
There you go. Thank you.
Hey guys, Umair here. I ride a Kawasaki Versys. I bought it in 2022.
Never rode it.
Maybe like couple hundreds. And since I joined the group, I think maybe 6 months.
More than that. वो ज़्यादा हो गया 6 महीने तो सिर्फ Shenandoah हुआ है उससे पहले चला रहे हो. It's been like 9 months at least 8-9 months, yeah.
So far, I think there's about 3,000 miles.
More than that, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, more than that.
Future bikes don't know which one, but yeah, soon.
Yeah, Umair is one of our.
Don't want to say that.
Anybody says BMW is going to be cut from this video.
Yeah, that's why I stopped.
All right, yeah. No, he's Umair is our speed demon. This speed demon has a demon mentor also.
Yeah, he's not here.
I'm not gonna say his name, but it starts with Ja and ends with Ved. Okay. Imran bhai.
Imran Siddiqui, riding for pretty much the whole time. With 6 feet here for years, like last 6-7.
So Imran bhai is our project manager. The project manager of our group. He is my brother who invited me to all this motorcycling. He was the motivator to get me a motorcycle.
And he forgot to tell you
Without license.
Well, I just followed. He said motorcycle. He didn't mention license, so I didn't take that. That's why. So, all right. Taha.
Hey guys, I'm Taha. I ride a ZX6R.
I ride a ZX6R today.
Yeah. I have many different bikes, but mostly I prefer ZX6R. My dream bike is GS1250.
क्या बकवास है?
BMW.
नहीं.
I want to get into adventure bikes from sports bike. I've been riding since 2021. Javed Bhai, Shakil Bhai and Imran Bhai. That's how I started riding. It's been 3 years now I'm riding. So yeah.
And one great thing is he's moved on so fast. He's now into fixing bikes, selling bikes, and he has his own workshop where he modifies bikes. So he's deep into bikes now.
Thanks to him.
Yes. This is another keeda planted by Javed bhai.
Javed Bhai. Repair karna hai.
I'm going to name Javed bhai our keeda master. Because everybody speed kida, fixing kida is
From Javed.
Javed. Right.
Calling my name.
Manish. Yeah. Manish.
Hi, Manish here. I have a F660 GS. It will last 12 years.
Yeah.
Good.
And you've been riding with us for about 4 months?
4 months.
Yeah. Yeah. It was
Any
very-
aspiration for next bike? What it's going
Not
to
a
be?
BMW.
Not a BMW. यार आस्ते आस्ते ना BMW नाम रहते थे ग्रुप का.
Maybe a Triumph Bonneville actually.
Yeah,
Right,
wow.
right.
We have Sujay who has a Triumph on
Sujay
it
who has a
actually.
Triumph
And
on it.
we have क्या नाम है अपना मुदस्सिर भाई has a Triumph Speedmaster I think Speedmaster. Jameel bhai, one of the very interesting people we have in our motorcycle group.
Go ahead.
I buy and sell bikes, so I use different bikes.
Yeah, so
I've been riding 40 years.
40 years.
So the most
Senior group.
This is my
and he has a dealership, guys. If anyone wants interested, look up his.
Next BMW, go to Jameel bhai.
Yeah, look up his inventory. He gets some very. The last bike that I remember, the black Goldwing.
Oh,
Yeah, that had like that flippable switch that you switch and the valves in the exhaust open up and the whole tone changes. The Jacqueline Hyde exhaust, which is like a
modified.
yeah, it's like $3,000 just for that exhaust setup. So you can change the tone on the flick of a button.
Just for Javed, I put the injection.
Jahangir bhai.
I'm riding in this country for 12 years. I used to ride V-Rod, but last year I moved to Triumph Tiger 900 and bike. I picked it up from his dealership. And I've been riding with this group since last year, right?
Yep.
6-7 months. I haven't done many rides with them because I travel a lot. I've done international rides in other countries. But wonderful group. It's really great to be a part of this group, and I look forward to better rides and longer rides in this year.
It's great to have you, Jameel bhai. Jameel bhai, what is the name of your dealership, by the way? Highland?
Highline Motor Cars.
Highland Motor Cars is the dealership, guys. So Windwalkers only buy motorcycles from Highland. If I see a receipt that doesn't have his name on it, मेरी बात I negotiate. Jameel bhai se negotiate. Imran Ali. So we have one kickboxer in the group, and full. And this is the choti pod of Jahangir bhai, his elder brother. So that's why I hope. Thank goodness he is here. Otherwise, he behaves. So go ahead. Imran.
Imran Ali. So I bought my first bike in US in 2012, Harley. Before meeting this group, I didn't find much riders. I did go with a lot of groups. I almost stopped riding before I came across Javed's bike. Then I started riding again. Now I ride a Yamaha Tenere. I've done a lot of different countries on motorbike, been to a lot of different countries, motorbike touring. So I think I've done enough on the road. Now I'm more focused on off-roading. So last year I started doing some off-roading, and this year I have more plans for off-roading.
He went up northern areas of Pakistan and did off-roading there in the mountain areas, by the way. So
I started, my first country was 2008 in New Zealand. I did the whole New Zealand country. I didn't have a motorbike license, so when I picked up my motorbike, the guy asked me, okay, your license? I said, what? I said, just imagine I didn't hear that, take the bike. So after that...
You should lead a group for all
No,
of
I
us.
didn't solo. I just do solo.
I'm saying now do a northern trip for all of us. Take
Yeah,
us.
I mean,
we're getting there. We need to get to his level first.
He was shadowed by the ISI all throughout his trip.
it took me 5 years to get
संडे की परमिशन नहीं मिल रही है वो दूसरी कंट्री की
5 years to get the Pakistani visa. And the highlight of my motorbike years is that I'm actually from Sri Lanka, Kashmir. I've been to all 3 parts of Kashmir, China, Pakistan,
Number. So my name is Irfan Ali. I have been riding for 30 years almost.
32 years तो तुम्हारी उम्र है
46.
अच्छा
Pretty much. Yeah.
but I ride Colnaggio B4 RS.
Wow.
That's my regular bike that I ride every day. But then I have Fat Boy that I ride with you guys sometimes.
Bhai, Irfan, the thing about Irfan is, so we all know Ali Sethi, right? So Ali Sethi's music band is now being managed by Irfan. And, well, he's singing with them now.
No. So, you know, Ali Sethi is a very rich guy, if you don't know about him. But
We know him.
Rich guy, and he doesn't need to do all the shows and everything. But he got a band, beautiful band. And those band members need more gigs, so they play with me now. So they play.
That's good.
So he does concerts and stuff like that as well.
So you got a sold out concert on 14th Feb.
Yeah. So the thing is, it's a Valentine's Day event, and the only stipulation is to bring your wife as a Valentine, not somebody else's wife as a Valentine. Yeah.
That's why I'm taking him out with me.
You better buy me flowers first. Feroz.
Yes, Feroz Kiani, multiple bikes. Primary one is the GS 1200, most beloved.
BMW.
Yes. Been riding in the US since 2003. And with the Windwalkers, I guess what, year and a half?
We started in June, so yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
So yeah, that's about it. Yeah.
Yeah. In
Future plans? What's your future bike?
अबे कौन से फीचर 3 बाइक्स तो हैं दोनों के पास फ्यूचर इज टू सेल वन बाइक
Kawasaki की जो H2R है उसका है तो वो थोड़ा दिल थोड़ा
तहारा रो पड़ेगा अगर तुमने H2R ले लिया
क्यों तो वो प्लान वो है उसका
Okay. Moving to elder brother, the reason Feroz Kiani behaves in the group, our Muhammad Jesus, our Muhammad Jesus from Palestine. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
So Adil, younger brother, elder brother. Guys, naat ho rahi hai naat.
So, my name is Adil Kiani. I have been riding for a while. I ride out of the 3 bikes that he's got. I ride one of them. It's an F07. I love it, and hope to continue riding it. And inshallah, in the future, probably look for a bike that can do long trips. We did the Shenandoah trip. Loved it. Lekin definitely would want something that can.
Adil bhai se sawal ye banta hai, which bike are you gonna drop next? Go to garage mein.
यार ये भाइयों में थोड़े से मसले हैं वो सही करने हैं.
He discovered a special feature in an F07 on that trip.
After dropping it, it breaks.
I did not know that bhara kaise jata hai.
We know, we understand. All right, coming on to my childhood friends, Mr. Wasif.
Assalamu alaikum, Wasif Qazi. We can say childhood.
नहीं अब नहीं कह सकते.
So Wasif Qazi, and this is my first year. Just to start riding 2-wheel. Recently, I think a few months ago, started with 3-wheel in March. Rode about 8,000 miles this year, and I currently have Rebel 1100 and CTX. NGS.
BMW तो है ही, जिसके पास नहीं भी वो भी बोल दे.
GF, 650 GSA.
No, okay.
But let's see what next
What
year
is the
brings.
future bike?
अबे कौन सी फ्यूचर?
If anybody wants to gift me 1300 GSA, I will take it. I will give my.
जमील भाई आप पे इशारा है ये बता रहा हूँ मैं. जमील भाई मैं कह रहे गिफ्ट पे दे दूंगा.
GoFundMe gift.
जमील भाई saying I'll give you the gift on 9% interest rate.
And I would say this guy is actually from Philadelphia chapter.
Yep.
The group he's the lead, by the way.
Yeah. So we.
All the rides.
Do you know what his other what he was when we had the party? What was the title? You don't know? The title there was debate, right? 2 titles. The one which he got was Khukhar Rider.
खून ख्वार rider.
Other title is very interesting. It's called the Pastor of PA. Because he converts a lot of people. The amount of people he has converted into riding.
One of the converts is there. The other 2 potential converts are here. The 3.
Honda Shadow and Ducati. They're always a bike rider. So.
अच्छा, ये जो कल्ट आपकी
I
फॉलोइंग
did
चल रही
not do
है,
that. I did not do that. They did it.
आहिस्ता आहिस्ता एक चर्च ले लें, वहीं जाके करना
My
पड़ेगा।
bike is falling, so I have to.
I was baptized.
Yeah.
Just this year, 3 months ago.
Exactly. चल, इमरान राशिद।
Hi everybody, my name is Imran Rashid. I'm new under the wing of Wasif Chaudhary.
बहुत बड़ा विंग है वैसे। इतना बड़ा विंग। ए विंड में 3 पंखे लगे हैं।
So started with a Yamaha 250 and learned very quickly it's not meant for highway. So sold it and now I'm getting ready for next year to buy maybe a Honda DCT or Rebel. Yeah, because it was too small for me. 250 was not for highway. I'm not a BMW fan, I'm sorry.
Thank you, you're my brother.
Thank you, sir.
तू अपनी इंडियन गिफ्ट कर दे उसे तेरे तू अपनी गिफ्ट दे दे तू दूसरी ले ले
Shazad Contractor. I bought a 750 Shadow. It was terrible. These guys all rode it. I didn't ride it. We all rode it.
That's why they made you buy it.
I just watched.
We made him get the permit. He bought the bike. Him. We all rode his bike. We didn't let him bike. इसके घर ही नहीं जा सकी क्योंकि ये बोलता रहा कि यार मैंने वाइफ को अभी तक बताया ही नहीं है. His bike was at my house, his house, other people's house.
Permission slip sign you.
असल में
I'm just using whatever's in Wasif bike.
There you go. असल में वासिफ भाई,
He rode my CTX.
अच्छा वासिफ भाई जो हैं वो लोगों को मोटरसाइकिल पे ऐसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं जैसे जाकिर नायक जो है ना मुसलमान बना देता है। उस बंदे को घर जाते हुए पता नहीं चलता कि हुआ क्या है मेरे साथ। आज नमाज पढ़नी है, क्या करना है? चलो।
My name is Fahad. I don't have a bike currently, but my first bike experience came in India. When I first graduated college, my job was in Infosys. We actually lived on campus in Mysore, and me and my buddy, we got tired of riding rickshaws into the town, so we asked the rickshaw driver to both get us bikes.
Rickshaw driver.
Rickshaw driver.
Yes. So did he buy you BMW?
Dinky old bike, but we taught ourselves, and we rode around town, partied all weekend.
Are you, what is your next bike going to be?
So when I came back to the States, I bought myself a Ducati.
Ah.
So I had that for Ducati Monster. I had that for a couple of years. But I'm bikeless at the moment.
Then he got married.
I'm very disappointed.
Alright guys, my name is Hasib. So how I got into bikes is I went to play cricket. There I met my pastor, recruiter, whatever you want to call it.
Our Tablighi Jamaat.
He came there on his Canon and Canon. So I'm like, oh, that's nice. I would like to get into bikes and stuff. He's like, okay, don't worry, I'm sending you the hard copy right now.
No, he said you're already in. You don't know that?
The handbook came in 2 minutes later in my WhatsApp, and I'm like, okay. He said, read it and then let me know if you need any help. I said, okay. Read it. Couple days later, went to DMV, get the test and all that, passed. Then he's like, you have to take BRC class. Did all that. After that, I think I was interested in buying a Hayabusa. That was kind of a childhood dream. And he's like, भाई मरेगा क्या बोलेंगे घर वाले पहली बाइक पे ही क्या करोगे? मैंने कहा अच्छा चलो ठीक है।
इसके घर में भी यही बोला था उन लोगों ने। वो माना नहीं, उसकी गालियां मुझे आज तक पड़ रही हैं।
So I was forced to buy Ninja 650, and that I bought it in September. Did couple rides, put couple 100 miles on it.
Very nice bike, yep.
Still brand new. इमाद भाई still interested थोड़ी सी लेने में।
ये मुझे भेजने के चक्कर में, मुझे भेजने के चक्कर में।
नहीं तुम कुछ और लेने की बात।
So did few rides. Definitely did one ride with you guys that was halfway. But I know I got the title from Tanveer Bhai and Javed Bhai last time. That was one ride per year. I'm for sure changing it. Couple more rides.
1.5 से ज़्यादा कर लेना।
थोड़ी ज़्यादा होगी इसका। So this is kind of my story.
All right, we're glad to have you, Asim.
My name is Burhan Chaudhary. I ride Cannondale. And for those of you who don't know what that is.
What is that?
Without an engine. That is road cycle. So I do a lot of cycling.
Okay.
I do a serious.
As you can tell by his physique.
No, he's a serious rider. I do some serious cycling. I do like century rides, state rides. I do a lot of riding outside the country. I don't mean to be a Debbie Downer, but I'm a neurologist and I'm a neuro. ICU. Like my specialty is neuro ICU.
वासिफ, finally तुम्हारा इलाज मिल गया।
staff near ICUs. That's where I am. And, you know, I've seen a lot of things, so you know, I've never been big on riding. So, but I mean, you know, it sounds like a lot of fun. You know, I hear all of you guys talk about it. You know, you never know. I may transit from.
You may have several potential patients also.
My name is Aleem, and I'm not riding a bike as of now. But when I was in Pakistan, I was riding a bike. I had Honda 70, you know, Honda 100, 125, and all those type of bikes I ride it. But now I'm thinking of getting a bike. Let's see.
Well, if you want the Kida planted, you're in the right place.
Yeah, my name is Naeem Bhatti. Bit disappointed. I don't have a bike right now.
It's okay. We'll fix it.
That's it, pretty much. Yeah, thank you.
Nice to meet you. हाँ भाई.
So what's your future bike? Which bike would you want?
I like BMW.
BMW है।
$50 दिए थे भाई मैंने ये कहने के।
यार मुझसे 100 ले लेते यार आप उसमें।
He offered me first.
हाँ भाई.
My name is Harun. My name is Harun, and I have a passion to drive motorbikes. So my plan is to get a Honda Goldwing. So let's see which steps I will. Now, how many steps I will take to get there. So, but that's going to be the first milestone.
If you're gonna follow Wasif bhai, then you're gonna buy a Goldwing in the next 10 years. पहले कहना है फिर फला. Hold on. सब हो गए? चलो. जावेद खान.
पहले तो कुछ और बता.
एक मुन्नी बदनाम हुई.
सबके लिए.
I did not encourage nobody. Okay.
ये झूठ है ये झूठ है.
बारूद का ढेर पड़ा हुआ था. मैंने गाली.
हाँ. और हम सब जल गए इसके अंदर.
So everybody had that passion in there. Everyone does, and it's just finding the right group to ignite that passion, right? So वही बात है. I mean, everyone is here for that one single passion that we all share. Winds beneath the wing, windwalkers, ride, enjoy. All politics and religion on one side. All of us share that one single passion that we get out and we ride. When we get out, 100 miles minimum. We just don't.
And 100 miles per hour minimum.
कोई 10-15 मिनट आधे घंटे की राइड नहीं होती because when you get ready and get dressed up, we do some serious riding and we come back. We do back roads going up and we do highways coming back. So we get to enjoy the real America which lies on the back roads. So very beautiful country we are lucky to be in, and the one way that we all are enjoying by going on the back roads.
My name is Imad Khan. Started riding while watching YouTube videos. Learned how to ride a motorcycle. Got my first bike in May of last year. And then we co-founded this group, initially called something else, now called the Windwalkers. And we started with 4 people. Now a little over 50, and potential to have more people, usually, once they're converted. Right? Converted. So it was still very surprising when we talked about it. Then we started off, then met Javed Bhai group came in, we all merged, everything all together, and then now we're 50 people. That's a huge thing in about, 18-19 months, I think? Yeah. So, for me, I put like 11,000 something miles on my motorcycle already in just these 18-19 months. On YouTube. And I also make the videos along with Tanveer Bhai, who also make the videos for all the group. That's why we're very popular. मेरी थॉर होती है. मेरी जरा थॉर होती है.
बहुत मास्टरपीस देर में बनता है यार.
So I'm looking at my new bike could be a Kawasaki or a Yamaha, not a BMW, right? But
or a Ducati.
Not a Ducati. Alhamdulillah. But I'm so happy, so proud that we all found each other, right? And it's a very thanks to all of us to start running this group as tight as we are. I remember the first few times when we used to ride on Sundays, we'd be like, with Javed Bhai, me. Usually Javed Bhai is always the captain of the group. And then usually you have 4-5 log aa gaye, just let's go. Now, on a given day, 9 to 15 to 20 bikers almost every other Sunday when we can. तुम हाँ ना करो, तुम नहीं आ रहे हो. But I thank you all. Right? We have the best camaraderie we have on this group. The passion is our machines. The other passion is our just, you know, the destination doesn't matter. We're in love with the journey. So let's keep this tight, let's keep going. And I tell on my YouTube videos, of our YouTube videos, is like, subscribe, share, and most importantly, ride. Keep riding. This is something that is therapeutic for all of us. We all need it, right? So thank you so much. Thanks everyone for coming here. And maybe hopefully we have less khaba nights and more riding nights. Thank you so much.
So the Thursday he has the Nihari night. Every Friday is the barbecue night. Please spread the message and support him. He's always been very kind-hearted to all our activities.
Bhai, this is Shahid Bhai. He was very, very humble enough to give us his restaurant on Nahari buffet today. Amazing Nahari. And also what Krish ate, he made paneer kadai, by the way. I'm not a veggie guy, but I loved it. But yeah, it was amazing. So Nahari, Paya, Maghaz, everything was fully inclusive. Felt like a royal treatment in this restaurant today. And very affordable and nice prices and a very nice place to sit. The Windwalkers are very, very grateful.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Batak Restaurant, come here and address bata dein uska.
1980 Route 27 North Brunswick.
That's Batak Restaurant. They have Nahari buffets on Thursday, and you also have Nashta buffets.
Yeah, we have Saturday and Sunday breakfast and brunch, and you come and the halwa puri is here with everything exclusive, nihari, paya, and everything is there. We serve puri on the table, fresh. We make it over here.
Amazing service, guys.
Bring your
Amazing
family.
service.
Thank you. If you like our service, just
We
come
love
in.
your service. Thank you.
Thank you very much.